All right, guys, just walked in. Long story short, it's been a long day. If you guys don't know already, man, my kids are, I'm trying to find the right lighting, but this would be good for right now. They're home, and it's just a whole thing. I thought they had school, they didn't. Then it was like a delay, then it wasn't a delay. I don't know, God, get my hair done. It is a lot. But regardless, guys, I had to make sure I got business done. So, what we did was we dropped off a few of these. We dropped off a few of these. These are the AirPod Max clones. I want to address something real quick about these. I made a video today, and this will come out a little later too. Somebody called, and I don't know if it was like I guess it's trolls. You know, as I grow, I guess, you know, you have to get used to certain things, right? And trolling is I guess one of the things. So, somebody was calling my products trash and all of that, which, again, I don't really hold anybody accountable for that because I do understand that happens to the best of the reselling companies. You know, AliExpress products, in my opinion, are trash. I call their products trash. Of course, somebody that never bought from me will call my products trash, even though they didn't even give me a chance. But regardless, that is what it is. So what we're going to do is I just want to show y'all what these look like inside. So I'm trying to open it. Now, I would never sell these Maxes with the plastic on them. I would always take the plastic off. I like shipping these with the plastic on because it makes sure that the box is white when you get it. You feel me? So that's how they come. Ooh, this is sharp. Let me make sure I get this. But so one of the biggest things with the Max is this person called them trash. I don't know why. I looked it up and never ever has this guy got a pair from us. But you open these up. These are the highest quality clones I've ever encountered. If you guys don't know, I own Wesply.com. Stands for We Supply. And my goal on that website is to supply your demand. So whatever you need, I want to be able to fulfill it. Dang, this box here. This is a nice new crispy box. But this is how they come. All right. These are not cheap. These are actually about to go to somebody, so I don't want to open them all up. I have so many videos of me opening them up. But again, these are not cheap. It's nothing cheap about these. Just because they don't have the Apple signage and they're not promoting copyrighted content doesn't necessarily mean that they're cheap, right? It's just, again, people be hating. I don't know why. And that just stuck on my mind because it's like I put so much time into finding products that have quality. When somebody just tries to like degrade the work and the effort that I put in, it pisses me off because of how hard I work, how long I had to actually sit here and search for a product with that type of quality. Anyway, you guys are going to be packaging a reseller's kit with me. So here is the box that we're going to use right here. Okay, they're going to come in this box. The reseller's kit is a kit with 40 wholesale products that you can resell online or at thrift stores, at flea markets, different pop-up shops. So first what we're going to do, we're going to put 20 of these. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, this is a 20 pack of the Type-C to lightning cable cords. We're going to put those in there. I'm not going to show the whole box. I'm going to just put them down. As you guys see, I'm on my bed because I have to hurry up after this. And then I have to go to the post office. We're going to put 2 of these Type-C adapters. Okay. And I'm showing the packaging because the packaging is very important. Packaging, what we have noticed is when we sold this without the box, we've had less sales. But when we sold it with the box, we've had more. So we try to make sure, again, that we sell it with the box. This is AAA quality, 18 watt AAA. But we do have 20 watt as well. You can get this at Wesply.com. I had somebody today say too, like, do you think that we're stupid? We know that you own that website. Obvious. Why would I ever go hard to promote another person's website? I know there's people out there that do it. I'm not them. All right. So we have USB and USB-C adapters. I like these. I don't like the packaging. The packaging doesn't have the green arrow. I don't like that. I like the green arrow. But since it don't have the green arrow, we can open it, right? So let's open it. Wow. Okay. All right. Look at that. It got the plastic on it. It has the signage on it that lets you know the wattage, the output, input. Then it has the USB and the Type-C. I like that. You can get this for $450. But if you get, depending on how many you get, you can even get it for $350. That's nice. I like that. I really like that. So we're putting 2 of these in there too. We're putting some of the clones. I'm gonna save this though because I want to show you guys something about those. We're gonna also put the smart car sensor power charger for the car. I did a whole review on this. I hope you guys seen it. It's on this channel, I believe, but this is really nice. So we're gonna put that on there. We're gonna do the 3-in-1. Okay, so I believe I can open this. This is the 3-in-1 charger, right? And I can't open it because it's sealed. But the 3-in-1 charger, this is a really good buy, of course. This is something that you can sell and you can make a bunch of money with. This is one of our most popular charging pads, so we're gonna put that in there, okay? We have our generic headphones. These sell really good. This is good when you pair it with something, or if you sell these by themselves, you can sell them for $5 each. You can get these for as low as $2 on WESPLI.com. Then we're gonna put the S6 headphones on. Okay, so I'm putting them up like that for right now. Okay, then we have this portable power charger. So this power bank is one of the best quality power banks I've ever had in my life. Look at the packaging. Look at magnetic clip packaging. Look at how it opens. Has all of the verbiage right here to talk to you. Here's a letter to you. Thank you for purchasing. And I couldn't say any more about this power bank because it's really good. What else? We have the power battery power pack, the MagSafe. You know that sells well. We talked about that so much. Then we have the USB-C with the adapter with the cable cord. So we're gonna put that there. And then of course we have the MagSafe charger. Guys, so the guy that sources these to me, right? He's having trouble actually because of how much we're ordering. He's having trouble fulfilling our orders. So hopefully this doesn't get discontinued, but we have that. And then lastly, I want to really talk about this, okay? These are the Gen 2 clones. Why do I want to talk about it? Because I want to show you guys what you get. Because a lot of people have a misconception that these are AliExpress or Alibaba. One, AliExpress and Alibaba aren't going to sell you these. They're going to sell you replicas. They're more so trying to get your stuff banned. Well, not trying, but they're just trying to get the bread. Trying to let Americans that's trying to copy Apple just live. So before you sell these, take this off. So this right here is the Gen 2 clones, okay? You can get this on WESPLY.com. No Apple logo, not meant to have any Apple logo. Put in your description when you list them that this is not a Apple product, right? Take this blue film off because it's on there due to custom reasons, so that customs can't stop us from shipping them to you or getting it to us in the warehouse. We then have these. These are exact same as the replicas. You don't believe me? And I know it doesn't do any justice when I don't have somebody here to listen, but I'm going to go get the replicas and I'm going to actually show you. Matter of fact, yeah, there's a room. I'm not going to show. It's literally the same exact headphone that's in the replicas that are in the clone box. So I really like that. These are really, really good. Same quality. We're going to put these in the resellers kit too. If you don't know what the resellers kit is, again, 40 wholesale products for $250. You're getting these wholesale products to resell on any selling app that you would like. This is a good way to start and kick start your business so that you have inventory so you can start selling immediately. And this is going to help you be able to really start something, like stop procrastinating and get into building and growing. And I also have these 2 speakers that I'm dropping off to 2 businesses. I'm dropping off 3 of these and then 10 of these. They look the exact same, but they're different models. So they have these little handles. I'll be showing you guys these in a little bit, but that's something that's selling. We also are selling a bunch of these too, and I haven't even talked about these, but businesses are eating these up. So there's a lot of products that we're getting sold to big and small businesses that are just to come, right? Like this year, we're here and we're trying to serve businesses. I'm trying to build, I'm not gonna lie, I'm trying to build my wholesale company so it can beat an AliExpress or Alibaba one day, right? And WESPLY.com is something that I'm geared towards giving freedom to, so that you can be able to access products without having to worry about buying a higher quantity. You know what I mean? So I remember when that happened to me and I couldn't get products. So again, guys, the resellers kit is right here. We're gonna actually package this up, and I'm gonna start shipping that. And again, if you guys want to get it, link is below. And yeah, I'm about to go to the post office, get them something to eat. Then I have 3 calls. Then I gotta head to the store, take them to the store. They had their little toys, so they'll be fine. But thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.